So it's Sunday, the 24th of November 2024, and I'm at my Mosaic Workshop, and here are the participants. So hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello. So I'm going to do a little quick go around. They've been warned, so I'm going to ask folks. So Pam, talk to me, darling. What are you up to?
I'm making a toucan. There's a longer term plan to hopefully do a table in the garden that might have a toucan on. So this is kind of a bit of a practice run. So
Fabulous.
we'll see how it goes.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the toucan. Oh, look at that. How gorgeous is that? And the inspiration comes from a drawing over there. So there you go. Look. There you go. So that's beautiful. And yourself, Heather?
I'm doing an autumn tree leaf, kind of make it up as I go along and hope for the best, but I'm finding it very satisfying. So first time mosaic, so it won't be the last.
Excellent. And it's just beautiful, the cutting that our Heather's doing here. So lovely. So, and it's such a therapeutic activity, is it not?
Very mindful.
Yeah,
Very mindful.
fabulous. And we got our Diana here. So Diana, let's come this way so you're not silhouetted. So, talk to us. What are you up to?
Well, I'm making a poppy, and I must admit I found it quite inspiring because I found this poppy. My mum loves poppies, so it just talked to me. And I know the poppies, so it was easy.
Yeah,
I know the textures and the colours and just how gorgeous they look. It just seemed to be natural to do poppy.
Yeah, absolutely. And look at this poppy, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. And look at the blue, how it's popping with the poppy.
Absolutely.
Gorgeous. And this is just before lunchtime, everyone. So I think there's going to be some grouting going on. We have a puffin here. So our Liz is going to tell you all about her puffin. Nothing.
Yeah, so I'm having a crack at a puffin. They're my daughter's favourite bird. She's just got a new house and the garden is very, very dull. So I'm hoping this puffin will brighten up her wall and give her a bit of joy from Bearwood.
Oh! Yay! Bearwood on the back. There you go. Look, that's gorgeous. Absolutely. So let's have you giving a wave, everybody, and saying ta-da and adios. There you go. So fabulous. I just love a workshop, don't you? So it's Caroline Jerry Waller, Mango Mosaics, over and out. See you soon.